Hi, and welcome to Baby Boo! Today, we don't know what we're going to do.
We'll improvise.
This is our first
podcast of many.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're going to start with disses to the weird Ricky music. If you've seen my other videos, you will get it.
Me, Bailey.
In this video, look up random disses to people on YouTube, and you will see, etc. And you will see things about Anthony, my cousin, Tommy, a person, and weird Rickies, and other disses to other people. Do you mind? Other disses to other people. So now we're gonna make other disses to other people. Flowers. just to other people. Flowers. Okay. No offense to that person. Flowers. And Alex Novak's on a quiz.
I'm going to do a backflip.
Billy's gonna do a backflip.
Just kidding. Okay, fine.
Oh, you sound like your feet.
No.
Okay, we'd like to give a shout out to our home dogs.
I'm still going. Ta-da. Okay.
We're gonna give a shout out to. We're gonna give the shout out to the boys in our class, yo.
No, we're not.
The ones who tried hard for volleyball but failed.
It's okay.
It's okay. Those people are. Nick. Wait. Okay. So there's Brad.
Okay.
There's Joey. There's little Joey. There's. There's Nick. What else? There's Sean. There's Nico. And there's Scott. And to all those other ones, I'm sorry that I forgot your name. I forgot your name. Oh, Novak. Yeah, but he's on a cruise. This is a phone of a phone.
I'm leaving this room.
Bye.
Out of here. I'm back.
Bye. Wait, Bailey, I have an idea.
Excuse me. Okay, ready? Okay.
Should we stop this video?
Yes. Okay.
Goodbye.
The second one is gonna be a horror movie. Da da da. Da da da. Da da da.